Hi there, my name's Laurence Tindall here at GlideFast Consulting, and in today's ServiceNow tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export and import records between different instances using XML. This functionality is extremely beneficial as it allows you to export records from one instance and easily import them into another. This is a common use case when you're working in a sub-production instance of ServiceNow like Dev, and you'd like to load those same records directly into a test environment or production. As you may already know, records typically cannot be captured in update sets, so exporting them in an XML file will allow you to easily import them into another instance. In today's example, I'm going to create a new user account in a Dev environment and then import the same user record into my test instance. To get started, open up ServiceNow and in the Application Navigator, type in Users. Now click on the Users module located underneath the Users and Groups application. To create a new user record, click on the New button. A blank user record will now load. In the first name and last name field, I'm going to enter Michael Lombardo, and in the email field, I'm going to enter michael.lombardo@example.com. Now to save this user record, I'm going to click on the Submit button. The user record is now created. Now from the list view, I'm going to filter for the new user account I just created. To export this record as an XML file, right-click on the form header and click on Export XML. An XML file will now be generated and downloaded to your machine. Now that we've exported this XML file, I'm going to open up my other ServiceNow instance. To import the XML file, I'm going to head over to the Users module, and on the column header, I'm going to right-click and select the option for Import XML. You'll now be taken to this Import XML page. From here, you'll want to click on the Choose File button and select the XML file that we previously exported. Now click on the Upload button. The user record will now be loaded into the system just like it was in our other instance. Now if we filter for Michael Lombardo, we'll see his user account available. And it's as easy as that. Exporting and importing records via XML is a quick and easy way to transfer data between two identical instances. And that is all for today's demo on exporting and importing records into ServiceNow via XML.